your life, you will be shown how I become indestructible. Determination and is incorruptible. From the other side of terror to behold, annihilation will be unavoidable. Every broken enemy will know that they're up on it, that they'll be invincible. Take a last look around while you're alive. I'm an indestructible master of war. Determination and is incorruptible. From the other side of terror to behold, annihilation will be unavoidable. Every broken enemy will know that they're up on it, that they'll be invincible. Take a last look around while you're alive. I am indestructible. Indestructible. Determination and is incorruptible. From the other side of terror to behold, annihilation will be unavoidable. Every broken enemy will